Come have some sweets during Jashn-e-Fateh. Buy one and get one free.
So much ruckus. Ginu! Close the windows, there's a lot of noise. I hope that God punishes you for ruining others' sleep. What are they celebrating anyway? A celebration? Oh, today. Today is the celebration of freedom. I was supposed to wake up early. Oh my god, it's noon already and Muchar. I have only 4 hours to give the lamp to Muchar. I'm an idiot. You're so careless. Aladdin, I've not even told anything to Ginu. That I'm going to give him to someone else. Mom! Mom! Ginu! Mom! Where are they? Mom! Mom! Where are Mom and Ginu? They should have at least informed me and left.
Why are you getting worried, dear? Your mother and your friend have gone to the celebration of freedom.
Celebration of freedom? But mother never goes out for the celebration of freedom.
Hey, do not worry. They said that they would be back by the evening.
Evening? If I wait till the evening, then I would lose the 50,000 gold coins. No. I will need to find mother and Ginu no matter what.
Oh my goodness! What is this madness? Mother, during the celebration of freedom, Baghdad is looking so much beautiful. Anyone would love to stay here, Mother. Make sure that you spend some time in Baghdad at least once in your life. Mother?
Ginny, my dear, I think I should go home. You stay here, I'll go.
But why? I understand. Mother, if you go back today, then hate would win. But if you face them bravely, then hate would lose. I'm sure of that, Mother. And you always overcome every challenge. Isn't that right? Come, Mother. Shall we go?
Hey, they would end up eating 2 plates. Come on, let's go and buy samosas.
Yes.
I swear upon gold coins. Am I hallucinating?
Yes, dear. These really are jalebis.
Look there, it is Ruxar. And she is accompanied by the golden goose.
Golden goose? Mother, Sheikh Genie, he's not a goose, he's a witch. And I will not chase a witch.
Listen, Gullu, you're my precious son. You're very sweet. And why are you saying such unfortunate things like a pauper father? Listen, dear, if we can get our hands on that man, then we can celebrate like this every day. Move.
Mother! How can we be rich after capturing a witch? I will also prove that he is not Sheikh Genie. But he's a witch. Mother!
It's just a matter of a few hours. After that, not only Baghdad, but the entire world will bow down to me.
But sir,
Don't worry. Nothing will go wrong, Viceroy Akbar. It's just a matter of a few hours. Our great king, Sultan Shahnawaz, will meet his subjects for the last time. Then he would let the pigeons free as a sign of peace. And after a few hours, he will sleep forever.
But sir,
Nothing will go wrong, Akbar!
Please forgive me, sir. I just wanted to ask who the marksman is.
I secretly made the most dangerous marksmen of Baghdad compete with each other. Every marksman failed. Then I don't know from where he showed up. I couldn't see his face, but I realized that the only one who could do my work was him. I told my minions to spy on him, and now they will be back with information about him anytime.
Brother-in-law, brother-in-law, brother-in-law! We have called that marksman for you, brother-in-law. Mother, Cockshy!
Come on, go. Come again.
Come back and win, okay? Jinu, show me.
Is this for me?
People who try deserves a reward as well. Here you go.
Thank you.
What is this?
These are the prizes that were won by my son Ginny.
Is he a son or a magician? So many prizes.
Why? Are you surprised?
Mother, if we win this game, then we'll get a pair of tongs. Then you won't burn your hands while making rotis.
You care for me so much, just like my Aladdin.
So shall we play the game?
Yes.
No. You have won so many prizes. I just cannot allow you to play.
I don't want to play, wicked guy. My mother will only play this game.
Alright then, let's see.
Mother?
how will I find Mom and Chinu amid so many people?
Did he agree?
Brother-in-law, initially he did not seem interested in our work. We also told him we'll give him money, but still not.
Then how did he agree?
When we told him about our target and that about us being Muchard's minions who is against the king's rule, he agreed instantly, brother-in-law. It seemed like he was waiting for an opportunity like this.
Sir, this means that there are many people in Baghdad who are now against the king. This is the outcome of your efforts.
This is the way to take control of your own fate. 3 pawns are ready, which will fetch me the throne. First, Sultan Shahnawaz is going to die very soon. And then, the black thief who will get caught in his own trap and die. Exactly the way Omar was killed 20 years ago. The third pawn, the archer, who is going to kill the king.
Sultan Zafar!
I cannot believe I have gotten an opportunity to kill Sultan Shahnawaz. Is this a coincidence or is it an opportunity to settle my scores? The person who took away Rukhsar from me, I will kill that person. I shall avenge your death, Rukhsar. That is my promise.
Mother, just take the Lord's name and strike it. I'm sure you will hit the target. Did you see? I told you, right?
This is amazing, Ginny.
Let's see how she hits the target again.
One more time, okay?
Sure, Mother. Baghdad is full of fraudsters, but it's all right.
This is wrong. The light was flashed on my eyes. I need one more chance.
Ma'am, if everyone says that, then I will incur a huge loss, understood?
You will not incur a loss, but you already have. Look over there.
How is this possible?
Huh? Even I can't believe it. Ginny, my dear, you were absolutely right. I'm so amazing.
Okay then, give her the prize. Come on.
Here you go.
We'll meet again next time.
Come.
Excuse me, Mister, have you seen my mom? She was accompanied by a fat sheikh.
Don't talk about that scoundrel in front of me. He is winning prizes in all the stalls at the fair. He has won a bag full of prizes. He's not a sheikh. He is just a troublemaker.
That's why I'm looking for him. Tell me, where is he? Where did he go?
That way.
Oh, thank you. Mom! Mom, I've been looking for you everywhere.
I knew that handsome guys will approach me like you.
But we didn't know that he'd address us as mom.
Please forgive me. I thought that you are my mother. That's why. Please forgive me.
I belong to you now.
Hey, tell us what is your name?
My name? I don't have any kind of name. I'm nameless. I'm searching for my name. My name.
Thank you, Lord, for blessing me with such a caring person. I don't desire for anything else. Hey, 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 hey. Mother, 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 mother. Has anybody seen my mother? Mother.
Be careful. Ginny? Ginny?
Mother! Mother!
Ginny, my dear? Ginny?
Mother!
Ginny?
Mother! Mother, never ever send me away from you, Mother.
Never, my dear son. Never ever. Even if you want to, I'm not going to let you go away from me. Let's go. Come on. You want to go
there?
there? Come, let's go.
Can you see a fat sheikh around? Someone in white colored clothes. Search for him properly. Thank you.
Come, Mother. Where shall we go now?
There. Shall we
Sure.
eat that?
Please come.
Rukhsar! Rukhsar, my sister. What are you doing here?
No. Actually, you don't step out of your house on this day. That's why she's asking you. I mean, you could have told us if you were willing to come. We could have come together.
Yes, right.
Actually, Ginny was insisting, so I had to come. But then I thought, how long will I continue living in the past? Someday I have to move on.
Very nice.
Mother, the witch! Mother, he's not a sheikh, but he's a witch. Daddy!
It's
witch?
nothing, Rukhsar. He's behaving strange ever since he woke up. He's so funny. You're so funny.
Never mind. He must really have seen a witch. You never know, really.
Looks like she's talking about you.
Take care of yourself, Gulbadan. Mother, the witch. Shall we go, Mother? The witch.
Keep quiet. I swear on the gold coins, Rukhsar. I will not let you forget your past so easily. After all, this Nazneen also deserves to be happy today. Why?
Father, your safety is my responsibility, and it is my decision that you shall not go out to greet the people.
Look, Princess, if we have
But
to...
Father, nothing is more important than your safety. You will have to heed my advice.
I would like to apologize for interfering, but whatever the princess just said is right. Our emperor is the pride of Baghdad. What is the worst that could happen? The people shall not be able to see their emperor. People will badmouth
that the emperor does not love his people.
I think both of you gave excellent advice. But I have certain responsibilities towards my people, therefore I cannot heed your advice.
But father, listen.
Princess, this is my final decision. I shall meet the people now.
As you wish, father.
It is already evening. I will have to send Genie back into the lamp and hand over the lamp to Muchar. But where are Mom and Genu?
Mother, gulab jamun?
Yes. Give me 2. You know what, Ginny? I'm enjoying after a long time. When Aladdin's father was...
Mother, you still miss him a lot, right?
I feel that he's still somewhere around me.